Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to extend your iPhone battery life and maybe double it by doing these steps. So I'm going to show you a lot of ways how you can disable or enable some features which drains your battery. So first of all, we're going to go to battery data. You're going to click on settings, scroll down until you see battery here and click on that. As you can see right here on these bars, you can see your battery life. And those light blue, as you can see, the dark blue and the light blue right here, means that those light blue areas means that even when you are sleeping, or if your phone is basically locked, it means that the phone is still doing something which drains and consumes the battery. So we have to change that if we want to save some battery life. So first of all, we're gonna click on battery health and charging right here. And as you can see, here is optimized battery charging. So I already turned it on. You have to enable it. And this basically reduces battery aging. As you can see, it's written right here. So that's the first thing you want to do. And now another way is to turn on the low power mode right here at the top. I already turned it on. Basically, it also reduces background activity like downloads and mail fetch until you can fully charge your phone. So when your phone is almost like for example lower than 20%, then it goes into low power mode and basically saves your battery life. Another way is to go to your wallpaper, which actually drains a lot of battery. So I know you may want to have some animated wallpapers which moves, so let's look at those. So I'm just gonna click add new wallpaper. As you can see, this is the astronomy one. So as you can see, it moves, and if I would choose it, it actually means it shows the real time, the location, and so on. So I actually wouldn't suggest to do this because it drains your battery. So I wouldn't choose this wallpaper. I would just choose a simple one like I'm already having right here. Now let's talk about OLED display, which means that individual pixels are able to power on or off, which is why you can see that there's no difference between blacks, that you can see when your screen is disabled, and blacks that are being used in images and videos. So for this, you want to use dark mode, which helps with that. So you go on settings, you go on display and brightness right here, and you choose dark mode. You can also choose automatic one. So for example, it will be light until sunset, and after the sunset, it goes into dark mode. But I don't really like it, so I'm just gonna leave it on dark as always. And this basically definitely helps to save your battery. Now from iPhone 14, this is iPhone 13, but from iPhone 14 and all the Pro models of iPhone have always on display mode, which drains your battery. So for example, when your phone is locked, basically the iPhones from 14 and up have always display mode, and they never go off. So you want to turn that off. So to do this, you're gonna go on settings, display and brightness again, and scroll down until you see at the bottom somewhere that always on display option. I don't have it because it's iPhone 13, but if you have 14 and up, then you're gonna turn that off and disable it. Now, also on display and brightness here, you will see this auto lock option. So you want to basically do a auto lock like after, I don't know, 30 seconds like I did, and it actually helps with your battery. It just auto locks your phone and doesn't display the screen. Now, auto brightness is actually the one which really drains your battery. So basically brightness drains your battery, and you want to do this automatic brightness, so it would help your phone. So you go to settings, accessibility, right here, and now you want to go to display and text size and to auto brightness. So we're gonna scroll down, and as you can see at the bottom here, I already turned it on. So turning off the auto brightness may affect your battery life. As you can see, it's written right here, so you want to turn it on and enable it. This will increase your battery life because it adapts to the surrounding environment and lowers brightness, for example, when you are laying in bed and it's dark inside your room. So basically, it really helps with your battery life. Also, while we are here on display and text size, you want to reduce white point, this one. Of course, it really makes your phone go darker. You cannot see this on while I'm recording, but in real time, basically the screen goes darker, like with privacy screen protector, for example. So you can play with it if you like it. You can enable the white point and make it like from 25 to up to 100% and reduce the intensity of bright colors and save your battery a lot. Another way is to reduce motion. So you want to go to settings, accessibility right here, and then motion, reduce motion. So here it is. You're gonna click on reduce motion right here. So what it does, it actually turns off all screen transitions, effects. It is designed to help people who have sensitivity to motion effects, but you can also enable it to save some battery life. Another way to help your battery is actually to disable autoplay, message effects, and video previews. So it's also right here. You can disable it, enable it. So it allows full screen effects in the Messages app. Autoplay. You want to disable it to help your battery, but I'm just gonna leave it here because my battery is fine. Now, also this reduces frame rate from potentially 120 Hz to 60 Hz. Race to wake actually is another option you want to disable to help your battery. You go to settings, display and brightness, and race to wake up. You want to disable it. When in low power mode, it auto lock is restricted to 30 seconds. So if you turn it on, and basically the idea of this, if you turn it off, is that you wouldn't have to tap on your phone screen to wake it up. You could simply just lift your phone and it would sense it, so switch it off if you want to save some battery. Now, notifications, they are enormous drain on your battery life, and you want to schedule them, turn them off somewhere on some of the apps. So you want to go to settings and notifications right here. You can click on scheduled summary here, and you actually, when you click scheduled summary, you can set a schedule when you want your notifications to be delivered to you. So for example, from 8 to 6, and your notifications will be delivered only then. So that's one of the ways. You can also choose some other features here, but basically play around with those notifications and set a schedule, and it will enormously help your battery life. Another one feature is background app refresh. So you go to settings, to general, and then background app refresh right here. So it is turned off. So you want to disable it for the mass majority of apps. And this will help you with your battery life. Also, another one is voice and data. I believe I have it on my phone. Let's look at that. Settings, mobile data. To mobile data. And then you go to mobile data options, voice and data. And as you can see here, I have 5G auto, which means that the phone will automatically choose 5G when I actually need it while optimizing battery life. So I would suggest to use this one, this option. Another one is Wi-Fi assist. You want to disable this, so let's go to Wi-Fi. Basically, you go to Wi-Fi and auto join hotspot. So, or ask to join networks. This also you want to disable, because when you turn off the mobile, it may switch to Wi-Fi, or when you go to some area, some cafe, basically it will turn on your Wi-Fi if you already turn it on sometime. So you want to disable this because it may drain your battery. Another one is push email. Now we're gonna scroll down until we see mail right here on settings. And here you can see accounts right here. And after those accounts, you want to fetch new data and you want to turn it off if you haven't already. This basically will save your battery too. I already turned it off, so that's great. Now analytics and improvements. Let's go to the settings, privacy and security. Oh, right here. And now analytics and improvements. Let's scroll down and you can see it right here. Now, this is about giving you a permission for Apple to capture data about how you use your device and then share that data with Apple. So you want to turn it off and it will save your battery. Basically, I already did that, so it saves my battery a little bit. Another one is location services. So while we're here on privacy and security, you want to go on location services right here. You always want to turn it on, turn it on, but you want to play with the apps, with applications, and basically turn them off where you don't want your location to be shared, and this basically will save your battery. Now almost the last one is haptic keyboard. So you go to settings and to sounds and haptics right here. After that, you want to go to keyboard feedback. So scroll down and as you can see here is keyboard feedback. So haptic, when turned on, means that when you click every single button or write a message, it basically vibrates. So it especially drains your battery. So you want to turn off and basically don't have this option turned on because it will drain your battery a lot. And now the last one would be the widgets. So this is the widgets, which basically, I don't know, small visual blocks on your home screen or lock screen, and they display up-to-date information. So for example, like the stocks and so on. So you want to remove them by just holding on them and by clicking remove this widget. And that's it. That's how you save your battery. If this video was helpful, guys, please leave a comment below, like this video, and I will see you next time. Bye.